Why commenting code matters.
Commenting your code is essential for making your programs easier to read, debug, and maintain. Well-written comments help others and your future self understand your logic and intention. This is a crucial skill for professional developers and students alike, and it's valued across the tech industry. Let's explore syntax and best practices for Python, JavaScript, and Java.
Comment syntax in Python.
In Python, single-line comments begin with the hash symbol, hashtag. Everything after the hash on that line is ignored by the interpreter. For multi-line comments, use several consecutive hash lines or enclose explanatory text within triple quotes. Though triple quotes are usually for documentation strings. Clear, concise comments can make your Python code much easier to maintain.
Comment syntax in JavaScript.
In JavaScript, single-line comments use 2 forward slashes, // For multi-line comments, surround your text with slash and ending. These can span several lines and are great for longer explanations. Remember that JavaScript comments help you and others quickly understand your code's purpose and logic.
Comment syntax in Java.
In Java, single-line comments also use // and multi-line comments use ///, just like JavaScript. Additionally, Java supports documentation comments with ///. These are designed for tools like JavaDoc and should be used to document classes, methods, and fields in detail.
Best practices for clear comments.
Write comments that explain why, not just what, the code is doing. Avoid obvious remarks, keep comments up to date, and use proper grammar for readability. Always make comments concise but meaningful. Good comments help teams collaborate better and make future code changes easier and safer.
Summary: write better, cleaner code.
Mastering comment syntax for Python, JavaScript, and Java is only the first step. Clear, relevant comments transform code into a valuable resource for teams and for your own future work. By following best practices, you'll become a more effective and respected developer.